Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is electric field based on one questions. A 1 mg ball carrying a charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb hangs from a thread when a large conducting plate of charge is brought near the ball. Thread makes an angle 30 degree with the plate. What is the surface charge density of the plate? So friends, you see that this is the thread that makes 30 degree, and force is, obviously this is the charging plate, so force is always this way, perpendicular. This is the 90 degree angle. So friends, it is equilibrium. Okay, I hope it is clear. It is equilibrium. So I apply in here equilibrium. So I apply Lamit's law. I don't know the spelling. Lamit's law, spelling may be mistake. So QE divided by, so it is, this point is, I can write E, so QE divided by AN, and mg divided by SN. Okay, mg divided by SN. And now E is equal to sigma divided by epsilon 0. Okay, E is equal to sigma divided by epsilon 0. So I can write it in here this way: sigma into epsilon 0. So sigma equals to mg into an mg epsilon 0 divided by q. Okay, mg epsilon 0 divided by q into an by Sn. Now friends, m equals to 1 gram. Okay, so 1 gram can be written m equals to m equals to 1 gram can be written 10 to the power 1 mg, 1 mg milligram. So it is 10 to the power minus 6 kg. It is 10 to the power minus 6 kg. So just putting the value 10 to the power minus 6 kg into 10. So 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 into epsilon 0, absolute permittivity value, absolute permittivity 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12. This is my absolute permittivity value, and an value, an divided by Sn. So an divided by Sn is equal to sine. You see that perpendicular by base is tan theta. So it is tan 30 degree divided by q value is, q is already given, q into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. Okay, now it can be written as, just for putting the value, 2.505 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb per meter square. Check again the value. This is my answer. Okay, how can I get? I get this same value because tan 30 degree is equal to 0.57. Okay, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.